I'm Fox Luca Moschini, and I teach with Udemy. So today we're going to talk about dark pool activities. Dark pools. There's been I talk about this a lot. It's one of our indicators, exchange that we look at before we do any trade. And the dark pool exchanges are places where large investors, corporations, billionaires, that's where they do their hidden movements before the public is aware of it, away from the public eye. So they place these large orders. Sometimes it's 500, 700,000 shares, other times much larger, 1, 3, 5, 10 million block orders. We have a service that tracks block orders, and we notify the members. And then based on that level, we initiate swing ideas, sometimes shorts. Anyway, so that's how investors, large investors, institutions place their order away from the public eye. However, dark pools don't tell us the direction of the move. They tell us that somebody's placing a big order. What tells us about the direction is how price is going to move above a support level, above a resistance level, it's a breakout, below a support level, it's a breakdown. Now, generally, when price trades above the dark pool level, that has a tendency to be more bullish. It trades below. If it trades below the dark pool level, it's bearish. Sometimes those levels are based on day trading. So we got this, we see this big level, $3 million shares Apple, price 140, for example, and then the price moves down $5, and that was it. That was the end of the trade. In that case, it was just a day trade. Other times, especially when it's one of those unusual large order that we don't see much, every once in a while, like for some companies, for example, AT&T or some of those other companies, there are regularly dark pool activities being placed. For other companies, might be more unusual. So when we see those are really special because somebody knows something that everybody else doesn't. So we pay attention to those, the levels. So anytime it breaks above a specific, you want to look at the chart and you want to see previous resistance and support areas. So if it's moving sideways and the dark pool level is here and price breaks above the past 3 months, 6 months area, if it moves past that, it's a bullish breakout and it's an opportunity to go long. It needs to remain above it. Same thing if it breaks below the support and doesn't recover, that's a bearish breakdown. And as long as it remains below it, it's going to head lower. So then you also want to use call activities. If you think it's going to go bullish, you want to see what kind of call activities, the amount of it has been taking place, or puts activities. If you have a feel it's going to go down, it's bearish sentiment. So that's how we use dark pool activities in conjunction with some of the call or puts activities to get the feel of the direction, as well as support and resistance areas. Well, I hope that helps. Post your comments below if you like the video, thumb up, and as always, subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn more about some of the things we talked here, click any of the links around the video or in the description below, and we'll see you next time.